back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be my Boxycharm for the month of May unboxing and try on. I will be trying a few of the products in here, but this is this month's box. I would say it's a lot thinner and wider as opposed to it's always being like a little more squared. Now the theme for this month is Make Waves, which looks like this, and yes, this did inspire me to pull out this backdrop, which looks like water and just, I don't know, it just reminded me of like the ocean and waves and stuff like that. So I thought it was super cute and fitting for this month's box. Now let's get right into the products. I'm going to pull out this first one right here, which is the Glamglow product, and this is a gentle bubble daily conditioning cleanser. Now I did use this for the first, oh my gosh, I can't with that packaging. I did use this today when I went to shower, and I was like, you know what, let me take this with me and, you know, do my facial cleanser time. And this is this is how it looks. The packaging, it has the same like look as the box. The box is just a lot more holographic, but this is so cute. Like, even to display, it's such a cute product. And I did use it on my skin, so my first impression from using it today, I really like how it got bubbly but not crazy bubbly, and it left my skin feeling super soft. And I really like that because there's some moisturizers, there's some cleansers that I have that after I, you know, wash my face, I have to apply moisturizer like that because my face starts feeling kind of stiff and like getting a little dry. This one did not do that. So, you know, first impression, it was a good one. I'm going to keep using it, and then I'll let you guys know how I end up liking it maybe at the end of the month in my favorites video. But so far, so good. And this cleanser has a price of $28, which I feel is a decent price for Glamglow, because usually their products are very expensive. And for a cleanser, especially this size, I feel like it's a decent price. So if I am to like this and I continue to use it, I would definitely repurchase it once I'm out of it. Next we have this Becca, what is it? First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. So to me, I thought this was going to be like a very glowy primer. Like, I was okay, that's not gonna work out for me because I don't really like super glowy primers or primers that make your skin look like you have a tint of like a glow. I would say it does it, but in the ever so slightest look like I have a kind of a glow to the skin, but like a healthy glow. So I like that. It doesn't look shimmery, it doesn't look like a highlight, it just looks like a glow from within kind of look when I apply this. It is a purple tint, as you can see in the demo, but it doesn't like stay purple on the skin, and you don't have like a tint of purple. It literally blends away to nothing in your skin. It blends nicely, and my favorite thing about it was that it made my face feel like super cool and refreshed. So I would definitely keep using this. It's definitely not something I would have picked up, but now that I tried it, I really like I liked it, and I want to continue using it, which is why I like these boxes from Boxycharm, because you get to try out products that maybe you wouldn't purchase for yourself, but you know, you try it out and you end up loving it. This has a price of $18, and I think this is definitely a smaller size as opposed to the primers I've seen from them. I don't think this is a full size. It looks more like a super deluxe size primer. So I'm excited to keep using this because so far so good as well. Next, I have for you guys this product, which I was so excited for, and I was actually excited to get this color that I got, and it's upside down per usual. The Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadows, and I have mine in the color Cupid, which is the color I was wanting, because I saw that there would be two variations, this color and another one that's more like a white opal, like silvery shade, and these retail for $22, which I feel like, I think Ciate is kind of like in that price range. I know you can find them at Ulta because that's where I've seen the brand, but this color, I have it on my lids today. That's what I'm wearing, and it's like the star of this look, and I love, 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 love this color. I will continue to use it. I actually want to try out the other color. Go check it out and swatch it and see if they have more colors. Do you guys see that duochrome? So it's kind of like a lilac shade with a gold duochrome finish. Do you guys see that? And then once it dries, it's even more gold. And if you blend it out like I did, you can see all the sparkles it releases. Beautiful. Beautiful. Like, this is my favorite thing from this box, I think, and I'm head over heels for it. Again, it is an eye luster cream eyeshadow, and it retails for $22, which I feel like is a decent price. Another thing that I noticed is that it dries fairly quickly, but not to the point where you can't like work it or move it around if you need to. I worked this perfectly fine, and it dried beautifully. It didn't crease, it didn't budge. It doesn't want to focus on me. There we go. Didn't crease or budge, and it's like sparkly goodness overload. So much. So I was so happy for this. The next product is from the brand Alamar Cosmetics, and it looks like this. It's a blush trio, and I got the shade medium tan because there was 3 different shades. There was a fair light, medium tan, and then a deep dark or something like that. I got the medium tan, which is actually the right shade for me, because I actually went to Google it because I was like, oh my gosh, I got the wrong color for me, but it's actually the correct one. And the colors on the blushes are Seclusion, Isla, and Toasted. The color I'm wearing today, which is probably going to be my favorite, is this middle shade because I like very like peachy kind of pinky blushes. This one's also very pretty, and this one I feel like I would add it very lightly because it's also a very pretty shade. These retail for $22, which I feel like is a very good price for a blush palette, especially 3 different shades. These are like perfect for summer. I feel like I'm going to be using this palette a lot. Do you guys see like the color of this with the background? It just goes so beautifully, and like this, so pretty. Like the colors, it has some purples and stuff when the light shifts on my backdrop. I just feel like it went perfect with the colors of these products. So that's the palette, which I'm wearing today again, and I wore that middle shade. Love it as well. And the last product, which I can say is the only product that wasn't like my cup of tea, and only because it was the color and because I saw other people were going to, or another variation that was going to be was Dose of Colors liquid lipsticks, which are some of my favorite liquid lipsticks, and I really wanted one of those. But I got this Steve Laurent, which is a brand I've never heard of, and it's a lip gloss which retails for $22. Here's a swatch for it. It's an orange lip gloss. I did wear it and I did apply it, for the demo so you guys can see how it looks on the lips. But it definitely is more orange. Like in here, I feel like it looks like it would be a little bit more brownish, maybe a little nude, but it's definitely more orange once you put it on. And I just felt like it didn't go well with this makeup look. It looked like super bright, and I wanted the focus to be on the glitter. So yeah, I mean, it's not a bad formula, but it's just not a color that I'm a fan of. So yeah, that's basically it for this brand. I've never tried it. I would definitely check them out and see what other colors they have. Maybe they have different colors. But I'm more of a like nudie gloss or like clear gloss type of person. And then the color, for those if you guys do like it, it's called Poosh. Yeah, Poosh. So that's that. Overall, I feel like this was a very good box for me. Even the gloss, like, I mean, it's not a bad formula. It's just a color that is not my favorite. But I loved everything else. On my first trial or my first impression of it, I liked everything. And I'm like head over heels for the Ciate. I liquid eyeshadow. Probably my favorite from this box. Next would be the Alamar palette. Next would be the Glamglow. Those are like my 3 top products from this box. And I do like that Becca primer. I will keep using it, but these are definitely like my faves from this box. I am going to continue using them, and you will probably see them in future tutorials because I like them that much. So yeah. What did you guys think of this month's box? Did you get the same variation I did, or did you get something different? Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and like always, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.